My name is Wannes. I'm working at DSSE The Start, and we are a place where people with mental issues come together, and we're working on 3 different levels. First level is working balance, work-life balance, people who wants to go to a job later on. The second is just for meeting people who are very lonely at home. They can meet, they drink a coffee, they read a paper, they have little conversation. And the third thing we mostly do is we work with creative skills. We've got several ateliers, I don't know the name, but one of them is a sewing atelier. We retouche, I think
Dat is oké.
little
Zeg, je kunt gewoon in Nederlands, want het samen wordt het toch weggehaald. Dus wat je in Engels zou kunnen, dat is mooi er meegenomen. Maar...
Dat is al verteld. Ja. Dus kleine herstellingen. Wat we ook doen zijn nieuwe dingen maken. En we proberen altijd werken, het heet het circulaire economie. Dus dat wil zeggen, we werken met gekregen spullen, oude spullen, die we dan verknippen en opnieuw maken tot nieuwe dingen die de mensen nodig hebben. Er wordt ook heel wat ingezet op handwerk, op schilderen, op tekenen, op verschillende creatieve technieken. En het belangrijkste eigenlijk van DSSE De Start is dat er altijd gekeken wordt naar de mens achter de psychische kwetsbaarheden of de mentale issues. We kijken wat ze wel kunnen en niet wat ze allemaal niet kunnen, dat weten ze zelf goed genoeg. En van daaruit gaan we aan de slag. En dat maakt het ook zo boeiend om hier te werken natuurlijk, is dat je met heel veel verschillende individuen werkt, met massa's talenten. En dat we die zien openbloeien en dat we die kansen geven, dat we die motiveren, enthousiasmeren. Ja. En dat we eigenlijk zien van verlegen, stille mensen, dat ze soms openbloeien tot echt wel heel talentvolle, creatieve mensen.
Ja. And can you give an example what they already did with like creative, something creatives?
Yeah. We've got a knitting group or a stitch group, and they might make some puppets like these. It's all with pieces of fabric, the leftovers, and they made this beautiful dog.
Yeah. Nice.
There were also jeans. We love to work with jeans of denim.
Yeah.
Also a very typical way of knitting of borduren. Ik weet niet. A simple piece of denim fabric becomes a beautiful, unique piece.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Yeah. And in the wood shop they make several things. Some things are useful. Night lamp, it's a little lamp. It looks like a dog, but you can put it in several ways. The dog can sit, it can stand.
Yeah.
Simple, but beautiful.
Beautiful
and
indeed.
All made with pieces of wood we get from people, leftovers, mostly leftovers from other people we use to create new things or stuff like that.
And you like working here?
Yes, I love working here. I believe, I'm now here for 6 years, 5 or 6 years. And I really love it because it is working with such talented people. And the problem is, and the society doesn't want those people. And we see only the talents, and we try to lift them up and put them back in society. It's not always a success, but we do our best. But working with people that talented you get a lot of it. When you go home, you think, I did a great job today.
Yes.
And that's the thing I like at the job.
To make other people feel also happy and
believe in themselves, see that they take their talent and go on with it. People who didn't draw for years start drawing again after that many years.
Many years, yeah.
That's what I like.
Nice. Yeah. Okay, thank you very much. Nice talking to you and to present yourself.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. A little bit a presentation from my colleague. He explained what he could in English, and what you say now. The rest that is in Netherlands, I gonna try to subtitles so that you can understand, or I will write down what he explained in Netherlands. So I hope you were very interested in this story about what my work is. So my work you already know. I do sewing lessons and cook lessons, and that is the work that I do here in the atelier. So my atelier you already saw it. It's all with sewing machine. You see, that's a little atelier. That's the last new one machine that we had, and it makes beautiful things. So in the future, I will let's see what we do. We have here enough things. So yeah, that's what I already have shown you the atelier. So the most things that we have here is made from scratch. So and that's the beauty. That's what Wannes, his name was Wannes. That's the beauty what these people here do. It are sick people, and we try to help them to feel good when they go home that they have done something, you know. So for these people, it's very good to be here and that we help these people. Okay, thank you, and till the next time. Ciao. Don't forget, subscribe, share, and like. I forget always to say that. Ciao.